नमस्ते भाइयों बहनों। आपका स्वागत है आफ्टर आवर्स विद बेरीज। आज बहुत ही डायरेक्शनल डे था बैंक निफ्टी में, जो मैं बहुत दिनों से वेट कर रहा था और वो आ गया। और आज बहुत सारे ऑप्शन सेलर्स को परेशानी तो हो ही रहेगी, जैसे कि एक बेटा है हमारे साथ। तो देखते हैं, ये छेड़खानी चलती रहती है। मेरा भाई है वो, और मेरा पार्टनर तो है ही है, तो वो चलता है हम लोग में। तो now seeing what can be the further plan or the trade plan is, now this fall was very sharp or very directional, right? I would not say sharp but very directional. When an early candle makes such a big range, yeah, now that's some selling. Okay, ये ऐसे early candles को ये नहीं, मतलब अवॉइड नहीं कर सकते। अवॉइड एज इन इट हैज इम्पोर्टेंस, इसका इसका सिग्निफिकेंस है। और अगर आप वापस वापस मैं हमेशा बोलते रहता रहा कि अगर आप देखो तो ये है ड्रॉप बेस्ड ड्रॉप, ठीक है। तो अभी जनरली क्या होता है, द इन थ्योरी ऑफ सप्लाई डिमांड, ये सप्लाई टेस्ट होता है मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम। 100% तो कुछ नहीं होता। और अगर आप देखोगे अभी ये जोन, मैंने वापस अभी आज नहीं मार्क किया, आप अगर वीडियोस देख रहे हो, जोन हैव बीन मार्क, विल एक्ट, बिकॉज ये डिमांड था। ये एक बार, ये देखो, ये डिमांड दो बार, वैसे दो बार टेस्ट हुआ, अभी ये थर्ड टाइम है। सो जनरली जितना टेस्ट होता है उतना और वीक होता है। सो नाउ प्रोबेबल सिनेरियो इज दैट कि मार्केट, एक मिनट मैं आपको दिखाता हूँ, यहाँ तक थोड़ा बहुत बाउंस, यहाँ तक, हाँ इतना। और ये नीचे जाने की ज्यादा संभावना है, और द प्रोबेबिलिटी इज हायर ऑफ इट गोइंग डाउन। तो अभी ट्रेड प्लान क्या करेंगे, आई विल बेसिकली नाउ वेट फॉर द मार्केट टू कम अप। By the way, I'm not changing, मतलब I am now giving you guys a caution. इतने सारे, since the day we started putting videos on YouTube, I was like bullish. I was like buy the dip. But today's fall, like it can structure, it has structurally changed the price structure. So I am giving a caution now. Let's not be buy on dips. I am no more buy on dips now. I would look to short the market now on rise. Uh, this level, if this level holds, still great, but I would see how it reacts again when it comes here. If it comes here, if not, I would want the market to break this level. So yeah, so this would be a no trade zone for me. Basically, 43,850 to 43,420 will be a no trade zone. I would watch out for the levels to break on either side and have my bias. So that's the trade plan in Bank Nifty. Let's go to Nifty. Nifty was, as it is, weaker than Bank Nifty. And yeah, this level was something I had said yesterday that if a reversal candle forms, I would go long. But this is no reversal candle. This is a bearish candle. In fact, if in fact, today I was lucky enough to get saved, I would say, because if this candle would have formed here, I would have been long, and if this candle would have formed later this candle, so yeah, my stop loss would have good hit. So yeah, that's why on levels, when hammers form, you do take a trade, but it did not, and this was no reversal, can like, because see, this is a hammer. You would be like, you trade hammers, but this is a hammer not on my level, so I will not trade it. It's not that I like hammers, so I trade any hammer anywhere. That is the difference. When you make a setup, it might be easy, but आप लाइक पीपल भी लाइक, ये तो हैमर स्ट्रेट करते हैं क्या, किधर भी हैमर आया इजी है, कर सकते हैं। नहीं ना, मेरे लेवल पे हैमर नहीं बना ना, तो नहीं लूंगा मैं। और ये अगर, एंड द रिजल्ट इज इन फ्रंट ऑफ यू नाउ। What I have noticed in Bank Nifty is, now this is the ATH. This is a lower high, and if you see this also, if you see, is lower high only. मतलब it's structurally, or they say the Dow theory, the structure has changed. I would have want this price from here to cross this, which it has not. And so again, the caution of going short, or in fact changing my stand from buy on dips has changed, because now Nifty is no more making a higher high. So again here, if you see this hammer now is a supply zone. So I would wait for this level and short here for targets of the marked levels. That's it. Yeah, that's on indices. There are no stocks today that we have in our radar, but we would like to go through the sectoral indices, Gandhar.
Yeah, sure. Let's just update our viewers about what's happening in the market. And I'm looking through the indices that I have added to my watch list, not a single one is in green, no matter where I look. In fact, most of them are down big, 1.5%. Bank Nifty, of course, quite a bit in red, but Nifty IT performing even worse than uh, Bank Nifty here. And I think Nifty IT here on out will not go up much, since yesterday there was a Fed meet, interest rates were increased. Today at 1:30, European market opened in red. I think it still till now it has continued to correct by quite a bit. So I think on the back of that, the second half bearishness kicked in, though the market was bearish right from the start. I think Bank Nifty has fallen by quite a bit. How much has Bank Nifty fallen from? I think top to bottom. I mean, day high today low 700 points. Nifty day high today low 250 points. So all in all, a very strong bearish candle here. And yeah, as Chitit said, we are no longer perennial bullish on this trend right now. We will wait for some sort of direction in the market, but as the index stands, we are bearish. Uh, just we can go to Nifty Metal once, since we had mentioned it yesterday in our show. It was at an all-time high yesterday, wasn't it? Very close to its all-time high, and it has looks like it has taken a resistance from the high levels. Here on out, I think we can see a good correction in a lot of stocks. I think banks will lead it, especially the banks that were at ATH, ICICI Bank, and so on. I'm worried that they might be the ones which will fall down the most. HDFC Bank also taking resistance from 1670 levels. Now that I look at my charts after, yeah, there it is. I was just going to say that now as I look at my chart, it's a resistance I have marked in the chart. Same is the case with you.
Yes.
So yeah,
Stop copying me, bro.
very proper supply HDFC Bank has taken. And if HDFC Bank now corrects from here, I don't see any upside in Bank Nifty. Reliance is also weak. Reliance, we discussed yesterday, and yesterday I had said that it has come back to its breakout zone, but no, it has fallen below that level, so that upside move is negated now. Now 25.40, 25.30, and further supports down are what we are watching. All in all, everything looks weak right now. I mean, I won't discount we taking a rally up from here, but on a short term, maybe by end of this year, I don't see any large upside in the indice. Even in we will discuss about options and everything over to our F&O show. Make sure you tune into that after this. But yeah, just by looking at the charts, also I don't see anything going up from here on out, at least for a couple of weeks. Just last chart, if we can visit, is of course India VIX, and in that you must have marked a level, and that level must have also worked. Uh, Check in the indice section. Yeah, there it is. Yeah. So a 7% almost increase in the India VIX here. Now, if we keep on seeing higher and higher VIX for a month, then I can easily see Nifty correcting by 7 8 percentage points. How far will that take in the index? Let me see. Yeah, 17,000, maybe 18,000, 17,500 is something which might be on the cards looking at India VIX, because I was just checking yesterday, as the VIX rises, if market doesn't rise, I mean if it doesn't correct very sharply, it doesn't rise also. So we might get some sideways days, some sharp falls, and the result of that will be market going below 18,000. That is what I feel, but we will see how it goes as the time progresses. uh, that's pretty much for my watch list here. some stocks have closed in green, but there's no point in discussing them. They're not large names. Do you have anything left in your watch list?
Nah.
All right, then. Thanks for tuning in, viewers, to After Hours with Berries. Links to our Telegram channel and our Instagram page are in the video's description. Make sure you follow us there. Make sure you like this video and subscribe to this channel so that you get notified every time we upload a new video. Thanks.